Hello students. Here we are discussing about the ISC Economics Class 12th question paper pattern. Your economics subject will have two stages. Part 1, which is your project work, and it consists of 20 marks, which is also called as internals. And part 2, which is your external exam or the board exam of 80 marks. If I talk about these 80 marks, it includes all the 20 chapters of your economics book, which is divided into two sections. Chapters 2 to 11 is your microeconomics, whereas chapters 12 to 20 is your macroeconomics part. The chapters here are according to the ISC Frank Economics publication. Moving further, we have the first part, which is your compulsory section, and it consists of 10 questions, each carrying 2 marks, which makes your total 20 marks. It is a compulsory section, that means you get no choice of leaving any questions here. Also, here you can score good. This section covers your entire syllabus. Entire syllabus means all 20 chapters will be covered here. It consists of all short questions, which is again divided into microeconomics and macroeconomics, having 5 questions each. If I talk on the basis of past paper analysis, we have analyzed that your 5 questions will be from microeconomics and next 5 questions will be asked from macroeconomics. Coming on the left hand side, 5 questions from micro section, that means chapters 2 to 11. One question will be asked from chapter number 3, that is your theory of consumer behavior. One question from chapter number 8, that is your cost and revenue analysis. And one question from chapter number 9, that is forms of market. One question from either chapter number 4 or chapter number 5, that is either elasticity of demand or elasticity of supply. And one question, students, will always be unexpected. You do not know from which section, from which chapter they can ask. It can also happen that they can repeat the question from the above chapters. Then coming on the right hand side, we have macroeconomics. 5 questions asked from this section, that consist of chapters 12 to 20. One question from chapter number 12, that is theory of income and employment, and this is very important chapter of your books. One question from either chapter number 13 or chapter number 14, that is money or banking. One question from chapter number 15, 16 or 17, that is BOP, fiscal policy and government budget. One question from chapters 18, 19 or 20, that is the circular flow of income, the national aggregates and the national income, the measurement of that. And one question here again will be unexpected. You never know from which chapter they can ask it. Moving further, we have part number 2, that is of 60 marks. It is a choice based section and it consists of all long answer type questions. Total number of questions here you'll be getting is 8. Out of these 8 questions, you have to attempt only 5. These 8 questions are divided again into microeconomics and macroeconomics. That means 4 questions from micro and 4 questions from macro. 5 questions of 12 marks. That means your total becomes 60 marks. How these 12 marks are divided? Each question, the 5 questions which you have to attempt out of 8, each question will be carrying 3 parts. Part A, Part B and Part C. If we talk about Part A, it will be of 3 marks, Part B of again 3 marks and Part C of 6 marks. That means total becomes 12 marks. And like this you have to attempt 5 questions. So the total becomes 60 marks. So here you get complete choice. Students, in the next video, we will be discussing about the reduced syllabus by the council. Thank you for watching.